Famous balcony scene from Romeo and Juliet.
Hi, my name is Anthony and this is my friend Angelique. We would like to perform to you a scene from Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. What soft, lo light beyond the window breaks. It is the east, and Juliet is the sun. Arise, fair sun, and kill the envious moon. See how she leans her cheek upon her hand. Oh, that I would glove upon that hand, that I might touch that cheek. She speaks, or speak again, bright angel.
O Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou Romeo? Deny thy father, refuse thy name. If I wilt not, be but sworn, my love, and I shall no longer be a Capulet.
Shall I hear more, or shall I speak at this?
'Tis only thy name that is my enemy. O beauty of the name, what's in the name that which can color rose? My is the name that smells sweet.
I take thee at thy word. Call me but love, and I'll be new baptized. Henceforth, I never will be Romeo.
Who is it? Who are you?
I know not how to tell thee who I am. My name, dear saint, is hateful to myself, because it is an enemy to thee.
My ears have not heard yet 100 words of thy voice, yet I know the sound. Art thou not Romeo, and unto you?
Neither thou maid, if either thee dislike.
Juliet, oh Juliet, wherefore art thou?
Juliet,
Juliet! I hear some noise from within. Dear Romeo, goodbye. A moment, good nurse, go quickly before you're found.
yes,
At what time tomorrow shall I send my messenger to thee?
by the hour of 9.
I will not fail. Good night, good night. Pine such sweet sorrow that I shall say good night till it be morrow.